Tim with the Chasing White Lines YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't posted in quite a while. Today we're going to go take a ride up to Yellowtail. Thank you guys. I've only got like 60 subscribers and I really appreciate you guys hanging around still. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Going to be a lot of exciting content on this channel here on out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here after a bit. And Olivia has a story. Yeah, your bug story.
I was riding and I keep getting attacked by bugs, and then a bug hit me, went under my little helmet thing and got lodged right here, and it started crawling at me slowly, and I started freaking out.
Rolled up to the stop sign next to us, and I'm
crying.
like this, and she's like, and
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, that's a big bug, and then I noticed it started moving.
And there was a bee in the thing.
No.
Well,
Stop.
never a dull moment here.
Oh.
So, onward
Scary. I
to
died.
Yellowtail Dam. Alright, on that note, the day is complete. We have done an amazing ride today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you made it this far, which I doubt any of you did, just make sure to subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you.